impressive display. You both get an A. Okay, now you try it, Digger.
Contact.
A very impressive, Digger. An A+ for showmanship. But a D- for jump starting, I'm afraid.
Great show today, Dig. Even better than the time you played your armpit over the PA system.
Yeah, I ruled, Eddie. But I'm ready to perform in better places, like parking lots and junkyards.
Then why not try out for a part at the Weirdsville Playhouse? Leaky Boat Louie got a job as a top Hollywood talent scout, and he'll be there opening night.
Talent scout? Play?
Why, that automotive classic, Death of a Used Car Salesman. They're holding auditions today.
Eddie, I've got a revving plan. Do you realize what happens if I audition and get the lead?
Yeah? You'll get a 10% discount at the snack bar.
Not quite. We're talking fame, fortune, and a 20% discount.
Oh, even better. Let's go. Wade's called out the goon squad. He must want to be in the play.
Tough. I'm dedicated to the art of acting. How long have I been honing my craft for this defining moment?
About 15 minutes?
I rest my case. Catch at me, Eddie. And behold the master at work. Space aliens, killer! They've stormed the school! Run for your life! They got fangs, tentacles, and nasty B.O.s!
And they're dripping alien slime on Wade's freshly washed limo!
Thanks! I'll blow Wade off the stage with a high-octane audition. Hey, Flower Brain, make yourself useful and find me the director. The star has arrived.
You two blown engines just found her! I'm the director.
No way. Not you. Say it ain't so.
So? I intend to direct the best play ever and to become famous and spend the rest of my life insisting that I'm an only child.
Cut! Take two. I'm starring in the play, and I'll be the one that gets discovered.
You star in my play? How do you expect to beat out all of these? That's it? Wade and Digger?
Hello, Portia. Your star has arrived.
Call from Reality on line 1, Wade. You aren't the star yet.
You mean this audition? It's in the bag.
Why don't you two geniuses wow me with your acting skill?
Me first. Alas, poor hatchback. I knew it well. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the pings and pops of an untuned engine, or never to have driven at all. Aye, there's the rub.
Alas, poor hatchback, blah, 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 yada, 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 something about a rub-down.
Wow, Wade, I just can't tell you how much that stunk!
What?
You heard me! As much as I hate to say this, Digger gets the part.
Yes! A star is born!
Digger? But what about my acting ability and my stunning good looks? What about the fact that I just bought the theater? And if I don't get to star, I'm shutting you down.
Shut me down? But my play, my directing career, you wouldn't.
Please, if you look up devious in the dictionary, you'll see my picture. And a rather flattering one at that.
Okay, you're the star.
I knew you'd see it my way. Ta-ta, amateurs!
What about me? I got the part!
Like that's my problem. I am not blowing my chance to be discovered. He's the star, and you're the understudy. Get it? Got it? Good!
Gee, tough luck, Dig. At least you get to be the understudy.
Understudy? No. Headliner? Yes! Eddie, come heck or high mileage, I will have that part!
Weird-Ohs will be right back. How weird is that?
Weird-Ohs is rolling on back.
He's here.
Ow! Is there anything in life more annoying than a rogue nose hair?
Wade, if you blow this part, I'll...
Tisk, tisk, the temperamental director. Relax, Portia. Your leading man will show you acting like you've never seen before.
That's what I'm afraid of. Ugh! You're on!
Thank you, thank you. Portia, be a good director and tell me the first line. What was that? Speak up.
I'm going to kick his crankshaft.
Ah, yes. I'm going to kick his crankshaft. Line, please. Fresh pine is so fine. Behold how I pine for pine so fine.
Oh, I should be down there, Eddie. Wade's stealing my spotlight.
Well, you're the understudy. You'll get the part if he drops out.
Drops out. You're a genius. Come on.
The rain in Spain falls somewhere over there. And then we walked along, lonely as we were, hoping for some more rain from the... Killer!
And I cut the hole, and Wade drops out, and I become the star.
Yeah, but if you're not careful, you could make Portia look like a bad director.
And you have a problem with that?
Nah, fire that puppy up. It's showtime.
And now I do my dance of joy, which, by the way, was conceived and choreographed by yours truly.
My play! No! What is going on under... Digger?
Digger and Eddie?
Don't tell me that you're still hanging around.
Yeah, isn't it about time that the understudy took over?
No! Phew.
Victory! Wade has officially left the production.
Look at what you've done! You gasket cases wrecked my play! Thanks to you two, my career is ruined. Leaky Boat Louie wouldn't give me a job directing traffic!
Sis.
You useless pair of broken crankshafts! When I get through with you,
Oh no! Eddie, speak to me! Oh, what have I done? My blind ambition has cost me my best friend! Oh, Eddie! Eddie!
Pig, they love you.
That's him! That's the one who I've been looking for!
Yes, the audience agrees. Sign me up, Louie. I am all yours.
Ooh, love those muscles! They've got star quality all over them. They're gonna make me rich, rich! And you too! I'll make you a star. Come on, kid. Next up, Hollywood.
But I was gonna be a star, and uh-oh.
The only stars you're gonna be talking about are the ones you'll be seeing when
done with you!